Indian agriculture is at crossroads. Green revolution proved detrimental due to indiscriminate use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. These poisonous elements polluted the soil, water, and the whole ecosystem, affecting the health of human beings and other creatures. Meanwhile, the residues of these chemicals brought unwanted changes in soil structure, texture, and properties. Soil microflora is disturbed a lot, affecting the growth of crops. The only option left with our farmers is to reduce dependency on these chemicals and replace with rich organic inputs. Adapting complete organic farming is not that easy in all crops and in different agroclimatic conditions. Availability of good quality organic manures and other inputs, labor scarcity, etc. are the major issues here. But it is possible to replace chemicals by systematic and scientific application of technologies. Principles of soil health say, feed the soil, the plants will look after themselves. Modern agriculture has speeded up the plant growth, but a little has been done to accelerate the decomposition of organic matter, which is more crucial for soil health. To address these issues, Gujarat Eco-Microbial Technologies Private Limited has come forward with effective and efficient organic farming initiatives and technologies. Gujarat Eco-Microbial Technologies Private Limited is a biotechnology company based at Vadodara of Gujarat state of India. The company is established with a vision to make our country a better place to live.
Soil health has become a subject of global importance. We have a huge responsibility and challenge in the future to address the subject of soil health and improve the agriculture productivity in India. Water and food are likely to be the causes of the future struggles and challenges in the entire global scenario. We have come with a very specific mission to India to help improve the soil conditions and increase the agriculture productivity. We present a very decisive chain of products which can address the issue of soil health in the larger scenario. We tackle the problem of the soil from a pollution remediation standpoint. We hope that this effort can be rejuvenated, can be intensified with the participation of the government, with the participation of the distributor and dealer network system, and with the participation of the farmers. By doing this type of a methodology, we can foresee the possibility of treating thousands of acres in a shorter period of time, and the consistent applications can definitely increase the agriculture productivity, the quality, the shelf life, and the value, the nutritional value of the produce.
Gujarat Eco-Microbial Technologies Private Limited has introduced non-toxic organic chemicals as a substitute to toxic, hazardous inorganic chemicals. The technologies of the company, many of which are patented, were primarily developed by Dr. Raj Mehta, the president of Organica Biotech, USA. Most of the products contain plant extracts and naturally occurring microorganisms, principally fungi and bacteria. This consortium of beneficial microbes works efficiently even under adverse soil temperature and pH conditions. A US patented microencapsulation technique of spore state microorganisms enables the usage of these products with other chemicals and fertilizers. It makes the application easy for the farmer and saves labor cost. In conventional organic farming, soil microorganisms are encouraged to grow naturally. It takes more time to build soil microflora and loss of yield is seen for few years. But in this innovative technology, several beneficial microbes are added to the soil. It enables significant reduction in usage of chemicals without losing time and yield. Most of the farmers want to reduce chemicals, but they do not have much options to do so. Gujarat Eco Microbial Technologies Private Limited has shown the way and geared up to bring revolutionary changes in farming methods of India. To achieve this goal, the company has brought out Krushi Jeevan Amrut product series. Gujarat Eco Microbial Technologies Private Limited plans to establish Giri organic model farms across the country to demonstrate systematic methods of organic farming. The ultimate goal is to create Giri organic villages across India.
Main objective of Giri Organic Unit is to help and convert villages to organic farming practices, to help realize that organic materials such as gobar or manures are scarce and not available easily. The company prepares a product, Dara Amrut, which is applied in much lower doses and thereby treats larger areas of land. Company promotes decentralized concept which give benefits and provide employment to rural workers by using local resources in rural areas.
Gujarat Eco Microbial Technologies Private Limited has associated with state departments and agricultural universities. Awareness programs and trainings are being organized jointly on various issues. Zero pesticide farming. The chemicals used in intensive agriculture can be grouped into two basic categories. One is the chemical fertilizer and the other one is chemical pesticide. Pesticides are more dangerous for human health and environment as it can cause third-generation cancer. A limited use of chemical fertilizers, well supported by Krushi Jeevan Amrut products, can eliminate the usage of chemical pesticides to 100%. Gujarat Eco Microbial Technologies Private Limited has been working with farmers groups to produce pesticide-free vegetables and rice in Karnataka and other states. Krushi Jeevan Amrut products. Krushi Jeevan Amrut product series has natural soil conditioners, natural soil additives, natural seed germination promoters, and natural foliar spray products. Krushi Jeevan Amrut is a proprietary microbial system containing 52 strains of beneficial soil microorganisms, essential amino acids, biotins, folic acid, and natural sugar. These spore state microorganisms are encapsulated with necessary nutrients for initial growth and multiplication. The working principle of these products is establishment of beneficial microbial population in the root zone to create ideal soil environment for healthy crop growth. Regular use of Krushi Jeevan Amrut products suppresses the growth of pathogenic fungi such as Pythium, Phytophthora, Fusarium, Rhizoctonia, etc. Other benefits of Krushi Jeevan Amrut products are reduction in transplanting shock, stimulation of root formation and growth, solubilizing phosphorus and potash, improving fixation of nitrogen and other nutrients, naturally accelerating cell division, stimulating the production of plant enzymes, enhancing seed germination and viability of sprouting seedlings. Krushi Jeevan Amrut products are non-phytotoxic and entirely safe for environment and humans. Materials used in its production are organic and biodegradable, and hence there will be no residual toxicity. Krushi Jeevan Amrut Biocomposter. Producing quality compost is the most important job on the organic farm. A lot of problems on the farm could be solved by making better compost. Crop residues, waste fodder and cow dung are heaped up like this along the road. It not only pollutes the whole area but also loses nutrient value before applying to the crop. The government is also very much concerned about this for rural sanitation and organic farming.
Normally we see any village entrance road nalli either side tippegalana hakirtare. This is creating a big health hazard next to open defecation. Why we should not use this microbial culture to hasten the process of decomposition and get the best manure out of that? ಈಗ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ತಿಪ್ಪೆಗಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವೆ, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ 8 months to 1 year ಫಾರ್ ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಜಾರ್ಡಸ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಬಿಯಲ್ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ that is causing so much on the health of the rural people, especially children. I got some of the cultures. I tried in 2 villages separately, and that is so much convincing results I got it. People are so much impressed about that. Even government of Karnataka, rural development department also appreciated, and now it is taken to whole state actually.
This is dry and hard enough and takes long time even for partial decomposition. Krushi Jeevan Amrut Biocomposter is best applicable for this to produce rich organic manure in very short time. Karnataka state government has many schemes to promote organic farming. Popularizing biocomposting is the important one.
ಕೆಲವು ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ರೈತರ ಹತ್ರ ದುಡ್ಡಿರಲ್ಲ.
Many farmers run short of money to buy fertilizers. We show them preparing organic manure without spending. Normally, people throw the organic material on the ground. We give subsidy under organic farming scheme for the construction of manure tanks. We motivate the farmer to adapt this innovative method of manure making.
ಗೊಬ್ಬರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು.
Collect all available bio-waste in a heap under shade, away from direct sunlight like this. Krushi Jeevan Amrut Biocomposter is available in 5 kilogram packet. It is sufficient for 5 tons of biomass. Soak 2.5 kilograms of it in water 1 day before its application. Mix this solution to a bigger barrel containing additional water for dilution. Spread this solution to the entire heap of bio-waste like this. The dry material becomes moist, which is quite essential for the multiplication and working of the microorganisms in the biocomposter. Optimum moisture level is 20 to 30%. You may spread a thin layer of soil on it. The temperature inside the heap rises to 70 degrees centigrade, which kills weed seeds, insects and pathogens. University of Agricultural Sciences, Raichur, has joined hands with Gujarat Eco Microbial Technologies Private Limited to promote biocomposting in the region.
In association with Gujarat Eco Microbial Technologies, Baroda, we have taken up this project as a model project in different villages. Almost we are trying to cover 20 farm yard manure pits. By using this microbial consortia, I am referring to this microbial consortia because it is a very good assemblage of several bacteria, fungi, actinomycetes and so many fauna. So what they do is they use this raw material or this whatever the waste, farm yard waste, they use it as their food, and they release so many good products like proteins, amino acids and whatever it is required in the form of manure to the farm or the farm crops. So therefore, these when they assemble and they work together, automatically whatever the farmyard waste, that is going to be converted into a good manure, and this manure helps a lot in changing the physical, chemical and biological properties of the soil. That is the need of the hour.
The organic matter turns to grey color in 15 days and reduces to half in quantity. Turn the whole mass once upside down. Soak remaining 2.5 kilograms of biocomposter for 1 day and prepare solution. Spread it on the biomass for the second time. The whole biomass will become a rich compost like this in 30 to 40 days. This is rich in many species of beneficial microorganisms as well, thanks to Krushi Jeevan Amrut biocomposter. This innovative method of composting not only helps to reduce pollution in the villages but also supplies rich organic fertilizers to the crops.
ಸಗಣಿ ಗೊಬ್ಬರ ಹಾಕ್ರಪ್ಪ ರೈತರಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ ರೈತರು
Farmers neglect traditional organic manures as it has a lot of impurities. We say them that the fertilizers have poisons. We convince them that growing poisonous crops with poison is not good for us as well as the nature. In this method of composting, we get rich manure in powder form just in 1 month. We need not wait for a year.
ಆದ ಕಾರಣ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಅಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಚಲೋ ಆಕೈತೆ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ.
Krushi Jeevan Amrut, Dhara Amrut. Application of basal dose of organic fertilizers is basically intended to enhance quality of soil. Traditional organic manures or crop residues may contain weed seeds, residues of chemical pesticides, pathogens, etc. Improperly decomposed manure will affect the soil microflora as well as crop growth. Krushi Jeevan Amrut, Dhara Amrut helps the farmer to address these issues. Dhara Amrut, being a natural soil conditioner, periodic application helps to improve soil structure, fertility, to enhance biological process, increases humus content of the soil, and balances soil pH. Specialities of Krushi Jeevan Amrut, Dhara Amrut. It is prepared by composting cow dung and crop residues in a systematic and research-based methods. Approximately 20 to 25 species of beneficial composting microorganisms are applied to enhance composting process. These microbes remove pathogens and weed seeds. Dhara Amrut can be applied anytime between 30 days before sowing to 30 days after sowing. It is recommended to use 40 to 60 kilograms of Dhara Amrut per acre for seasonal crops. It may be repeated as an organic fertilizer. Apply 40 to 200 kilograms for perennial crops depending on crop duration. Use it with other organic or inorganic fertilizers at least 2 to 3 times a year. Basically, it provides NPK, improves soil fertility, and acts as antifungal agent. Dhara Amrut is good for adverse soil situations like salinity, acidity, etc. 2 bags or 40 kilograms of Dhara Amrut is comparable to 1 bag of DAP or 1 ton of farmyard manure. It may be combined with other fertilizers at the time of application. Dhara Amrut is available in 20 kilogram bags.
ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಧನಾಮೃತ 2 ಚೀಲ ಹಾಕಿವಿ ಸರ್, ಎಕರೆಗೆ 2 ಚೀಲ ಹಾಕಿವಿ.
We use Dhara Amrut 2 bags per acre. It was put to paddy nursery as well. The soil was very smooth while puddling. Hence we used Dhara Amrut for the entire field. Standing the water was a problem earlier, but now water stands very well. Crop growth is far better this time compared to earlier with conventional manures. Tillering and year heads are excellent in this season.
ಕೆನೆ ಕೂಡ ಬೇಸು ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಕೆನೆ ಕೂಡ ಬೇಯಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
Krushi Jeevan Amrut Dharadhan. It is another biological soil health promoter. It provides necessary carbon source for microbial growth in the soil and also provides slow releasing humic acid. Recommended dosage of Dharadhan is 5 kg per acre and may be repeated as often as required. It is to be applied at earthing up at 30 to 45 days after planting. It is applied at fruit maturity or 15 days prior to harvest. Dharadhan may be combined with Dhara Amrut or any regular fertilizer. For perennial crops, it is advised to use Dharadhan 3 to 4 times per year with other fertilizers. It is available in 5 kg packing.
Dharadhan platinum demo ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ 1 ಎಕರೆ ಹೊಲಕ್ಕೆ.
I took Dharadhan and Platinum demo for 1 acre of my paddy crop. Root formation and plant growth is good. Then we sprayed Pushti Dhara and Hari Dhara. Crop is with lush green and tillering is excellent. Now for better grain formation, we sprayed Bal Dhara and Gold. We are yet to see the results.
ಅದರದು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ನೋಡಬೇಕು.
Krushi Jeevan Amrut Diamond. Germination of seed is a crucial and critical stage of crop establishment. Germinating seed may face deficiency of key micronutrients, attack of certain pests and pathogens. Krushi Jeevan Amrut Diamond protects the germinating seed. Its application naturally improves soil condition around the seed. It enhances the process of germination, accelerates early stage root formation, and ensures successful and proper crop establishment. Diamond is applied at the time of sowing as seed treatment or as foliar spray within 30 days of crop establishment. It may be mixed with any other fertilizer or Dhara Amrut. It provides growth hormones and enzymes to assist early stage growth. It is antifungal and anti-insect as well. The recommended dosage of Diamond is 50 grams per kilogram of seed or 500 grams per acre. For foliar spray, use 50 grams of Diamond for 15 liters of water. It is available in 350 gram pack.
ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ಲಾಟಿನಮ್ 42 ಗಂಟೆ ನೀರನ್ನೇ ಹಾಕಿ
We soaked Diamond and Platinum in water and drenched half a liter to each plant. Later, we sprayed Haridhara to leaves. We took demo for 1,000 plants out of 3,500 plants. The difference is very clear. Plant base has widened and roots have spread very well. We are expecting good crop. After seeing this result, we sprayed Haridhara and Gold to half acre tomato also. Result is good there also. I feel these products are helpful for our farmers.
ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು ರೈತರಿಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ.
Krushi Jeevan Amrut Platinum. Krushi Jeevan Amrut Platinum is a natural soil additive with a consortium of selected beneficial microbes. It establishes beneficial soil microflora near the root zone. Thus, it enhances nutrient absorption, secondary root formation, and disease suppression. The ability of the crop to resist adverse conditions such as flood, drought, salinity, etc. is also improved. It is antifungal and anti-nematode as well. It is recommended to apply Krushi Jeevan Amrut Platinum with a chemical or organic fertilizer at 30 days after planting. The dosage is 500 grams per acre. It may be repeated after 30 to 60 days or as required. Platinum may also be given through drip irrigation or as drenching to the root zone. Drenching is recommended for crops such as banana, papaya, sapota, mango, etc. Platinum is available in 500-gram packing.
Banana plants were very small without growing in the beginning, and it has improved a lot after giving platinum, diamond and Pushtidhara. We gave foliar spray of Pushtidhara. First we took a demo of these products, and after confirming good result, we used it for 5 acres of banana. Now we are using these products even for sugarcane.
Krushi Jeevan Amrut Gold. Krushi Jeevan Amrut Gold is a biological foliar spray. It intensifies physiological process of plant at various critical stages such as growth, flowering and fruiting. Hence, it enhances quality and quantity of the produce. It controls insects as well as viral and other diseases. Krushi Jeevan Amrut Gold should be applied only after 30 days of plantation and after 15 to 25 days after the first dose of platinum. The dosage is 250 to 500 grams per acre or 50 grams for 15 liters of water. It is beneficial to add 10 to 15 grams of 19-19-19 fertilizer or urea with gold. Krushi Jeevan Amrut Gold is available in 500-gram packing.
These products have protected my crop. Vines have come up very well. The cucumber has good shining. Hence, I'm getting 1 rupee more per kilogram in the market. My flower crop was poor in growth earlier. After using these products, it has improved. Even the disease is under control.
Krushi Jeevan Amrut Pearl. Krushi Jeevan Amrut Pearl is a supportive foliar spray product. It is applied during adverse weather condition or at yellowing of the plant. It also increases chlorophyll content, improving plant health. It controls insects and viral diseases as well. Krushi Jeevan Amrut Pearl is applied at 30 days after planting or as required. The dosage is 50 grams for 15 liters of water. Repeat the foliar spray of Pearl after 30 to 60 days or as required. It is available in 500-gram packing. Krushi Jeevan Amrut NR2. NR2 is an example of bioproducts capable of controlling sucking pests and scale insects by beneficial fungi. NR2 forms a protection layer. When the plants are under attack by insects, it protects them through naturally reliable system. NR2 combined with Pushtidhara can be an important component of zero pesticide farming.
I took demo of these products in half an acre of paddy last year. After seeing the result, I used it for 5 acres this year. Growth of the crop is good, and 1 out of 2 borewell is not working now. Even then, the crop is good. Without these products, I would have lost the crop. Moisture level in the soil is good, and we used less fertilizer this time. Even then, the crop is good.
Krushi Jeevan Amrut Silver. Krushi Jeevan Amrut Silver is a neem-based plant tonic given as foliar spray. Silver acts as growth promoter, antibacterial agent and insect repellent. It improves immunity of the plant. It should be included as preventive spray in integrated pest management system. Krushi Jeevan Amrut Silver is recommended at 15 days after planting or as necessary. Repeat the spray after 30 to 60 days or at requirement. The recommended dosage of silver is 50 milliliter in 15 liters of water. It is available in 500 ml pack. There are 4 products in silver category. Krushi Jeevan Amrut Pushtidhara. It is to enhance plant immunity. The recommended dosage is 50 ml for 15 liters of water. Spray Pushtidhara at 25 days after planting for seasonal crops. For perennials, spray once in 3 weeks up to flowering. It is available in 500 ml packing. Krushi Jeevan Amrut Jeevdhara. It is for plant growth and immunity. The dosage is 50 ml for 15 liters of water. Give foliar spray of Jeevdhara once at vegetative growth for seasonal crops. For perennials, give 2 to 3 sprays in a year. It is available in 500 ml packing. Krushi Jeevan Amrut Haridhara. It is for plant immunity and better flowering. The dosage is 50 ml for 15 liters of water. Give foliar spray of Haridhara once at flowering. For crops with multiple picking, spray at each flowering. For perennial crops, take up spray at 3 to 4 weeks interval in a season. Krushi Jeevan Amrut Haridhara is available in 500 ml packing.
ಈ ಸದ್ಯ 7 ಎಕರೆ ನೀರಾವರಿ ಇದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ
I have 7 acres of irrigated land. We planted banana in 3.5 acres and pomegranate in 2.5 acres. We sprayed Haridhara, Pushtidhara and Platinum in pomegranate. The result is good. Then we drenched Haridhara and Gold to all plants. Sprouting is good. And bacterial wilt disease is also controlled to some extent. The products are good.
ಇದು ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದು ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Krushi Jeevan Amrut Baldhara. It is for immunity and successful fruit setting. The dosage is 5 ml for 15 liters of water. Spray Baldhara once at fruit setting or at each fruit set for multiple flowering crops. For perennials, spray once in 3 weeks up to final harvest. It is available in 100 ml packing. It is advised to apply Krushi Jeevan Amrut products in cool hours of morning or evening. Cloudy days are preferred over sunny days. Humid climate and moist soil conditions are good for enhanced activity of these microbes. Shelf life of Krushi Jeevan Amrut products is 2 years. However, it is advised to use the product within 1 month of opening of the bag or the container for best results. Store the products in its original bag or the container. Keep the products in cool, dry place without direct sunlight. Gujarat Eco Microbial Technologies Private Limited is hoping to bring revolutionary changes in Indian agriculture. Ultimately, it aims to make our country a better place to live.
Krushi Jeevan Amrut.